Hey there, Tim and Air Tooling back at you. So today's video is about the Walabot DIY 2M sensing device. This is more than just your typical stud sensor. I do have a Franklin here. It senses wood studs, metal studs, electrical wires inside your walls. It'll actually sense pipes inside your walls as well. It senses things up to 4 inches deep in your walls. This thing even senses animals, like if you have a rodent inside your wall. Impossible. I wanted to take this opportunity to personally thank Walabot for sponsoring today's video on the DIY 2M device. They reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a review. I said, absolutely yes. I actually have previous DIY 2 device because I think this is an indispensable tool. I think you'll really enjoy it. So I just got this stuff in from Walabot. So they sent me a gift bag and a Walabot case. Let's see here, for attaching Walabot DIY to your phone. Compatible with MagSafe. So here, there's actually 2 pieces. So you place the larger magnet over the bump on the back of your Walabot DIY. Adhesive strip or safety strip on here, and put this on here real careful like, so the Walabot is up, and then you hold it to your smartphone, which is pretty cool. So I don't know if I need this on my smartphone. I'll have to look. I'll hang this up for now. So there it is, and then I'm going to charge this up. I'll get back to you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. This stuff out of the way, and on the top of it, push the button. We'll go here and hit the app when trying to do a fast reconnect. Join. Should get a check mark if it's done. There it goes. Just a reminder, store your Walabot. Now, since I have on the back of here, I need to pull my magnet off. And I need to put my tool on there, face up. So basically it's just on the back of my phone right now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to calibrate this. You kind of keep it as straight up and down as possible. You push the button. It says place the flat side of the Walabot firmly on the wall. And next, start calibration. And then you keep it straight up and down. You kind of follow the prompt in here in the middle. Calibration complete. Hit image, start scan. So, and then you move it straight up and down. And there you have it. Keep it straight up and down. There's a stud right there. And it shows you the center. And you move it slowly. That's the center of the stud right there. Here's the next one. That's how easy it is to calibrate. Talk about here. There's another stud. There is some wires in here. It shows me there's a pipe or a wire, and I know it's electrical, so there should be a bunch of wires that go in between here. So it's showing pretty much all the wires. Kind of gives you an idea how it works. Like that, there should be a bunch of wires right above here, and then it stops because that's the end of it. There should be a stud at either side.
There's studs
so it's
there.
on the right. It's on the right, yeah.
You can kind of see where the sheetrock comes down.
Yeah,
Tapes.
so that's about 16 inches apart. Where's that tape measure? Go ahead, do some stud sensing. Look at that.
I'm such a stud.
You got it, stud.
Dang.
Oh no, it went away.
You cracked me up. Scan in there and just see if that pipe or electrical, it can be either or. Once you find the purple deal again, keep going. It was somewhere over here. When did you get? Hold on, let me put the camera down so you can see this. Okay, now there's another button to the right of it on the phone.
Where, right here?
Yeah, hit the
expert.
Yeah, yes. And hit yes. Just hit
start drywall scan.
Yes. So that's electrical. That's actually a good view of that. So you got an electrical wire right there. You have a plug, so
yeah,
you're gonna have it every
there.
It's running across there. Yeah, that's where it's right in line with your, it tells you, which is nice because it actually tells you that it's running horizontally. So you have plugs down here so that
Yeah, there's a plug on the bottom.
There actually should be electrical. It runs down the stud. Okay. So now we know. That's pretty cool.
And then here it is, see? And then you see where it starts coming across.
That's pretty cool.
There it is.
Yeah.
There, see? It's picking it up even more.
Yep.
So what they did is they put an ear. They ran up an ear and they came down and they
across, which is normal. It's actually moving. Look.
Oh man.
That's your heart.
It's.
There is a metal stud, and there should be. So there's a metal stud there, and this all should be metal studs. And it's gray, which is pretty cool. Should be another one. And that's the one I just hit. There's another metal stud right there. And if I hold it close enough, hold on. Hold it slow enough, it'll tell me right where the center is. And that's the center of the metal stud right there, right in the middle. So again, I wanted to personally thank Walabot for sponsoring today's video. I think this is an indispensable tool compared to a traditional stud sensor. You can look for pipes, wires, wood studs, metal studs, and even animals inside your walls. I think this is a fantastic tool. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down and hit the like, subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and they are tooling back at you.
I'll be back.